Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about bathroom plumbing repairs and renovations. We know a lot about bathroom fixtures, from top-end showers to eco-friendly toilets, from drain cleaning to hot water recirculating pumps or repiping of older plumbing. Basically, if it involves water and drains and it's in your bathroom, we are all over it. For example, you're looking to upgrade a shower head or improve the look of your bathroom. Do you have to wait forever for hot water to reach your master bathroom shower? Well, we can repair your existing plumbing or help you upgrade to the latest and greatest in bathroom fixtures and plumbing options, including plumbing solutions that deliver instantaneous hot water. When you need a Charlotte bathroom plumbing repair or renovation done with reliable service at affordable prices, we're your guys. We've been fixing bathroom plumbing in Charlotte since 1997. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.